What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're gonna be discussing about how to factory reset your Cricket wireless. For that the process is very simple and easy. All you have to do is to follow the video till the end to get to know about it, and I will be providing the link of the wireless total guide in the description below so you guys can check it out. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future updates. So let's dive right into it. So what you exactly have to do is to turn the power off, then press and hold the power lock key plus volume down key on the back of the phone. Release the power lock key only when the boot logo is displayed, then immediately press and hold the power lock key again. Release all keys when the factory reset screen is displayed. So you guys can also read the LG Total Customer Guide and User Guide how to actually use it and properly do it. So this is how you guys can do it by using User Guide. So this is how you guys can do it. I hope you find this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.